Hi, I'm Stacey Wallach from Town & Country Veterinary Hospital. Today we're going to talk a little bit about microchipping, what it is and why it's important. First of all, what is a microchip? A microchip is a really tiny chip that gets implanted underneath your dog's skin between the shoulder blades that provides a permanent identification. This right here is the device that we use to implant the microchip between the shoulder blades. As you can see, this comes preloaded. They are sterile. The microchip is in this little slot right here, and we just inject into the back of the neck between the shoulder blades. It's very sharp. Dogs even awake will hardly even flinch for this. I mean, it's a very non-painful experience. Although we do it a lot when they're being spayed and neutered and they're under anesthesia, so they don't have to feel it at all. But don't worry if your animals are not going to be sedated for any reason. They can have this implanted at any time. Young puppies to elderly dogs, it doesn't matter. Small dogs, big dogs, it's safe for everybody. What happens with a microchip? Once it's underneath the skin, it has a permanent identification number in it. It's not run on a battery, so it's never going to die on you. And all we do, there's these scanners. There's lots of different scanners out there. All humane societies, animal controls, veterinary hospitals, we all carry these. And if an animal is lost and they bring them into us, we take this, we push a little button, we scan over them, and eventually a number will read back on here. We take that number, we contact the National Registry. Once we give them the number, we get the client information. But it's important that you keep the registry up to date. It is important to microchip every animal. 50% of animals that get lost will never find their way back home. And it can be the only way that these animals can get returned to their owners. Animals can slip out at any time. Kids can open doors. Fences can be broken. Lawn people can leave the fences open. And when we let them out in the backyard, they run out the side door. It's just a good idea to have it. The one important thing to know is that this is not a GPS system. We are not going to be able to locate your dog based on your microchip. Someone does have to find the dog and bring it to the proper place for it to be scanned, and therefore we can connect you back to your dog again. Again, this is Stacey Wallach from Town & Country Veterinary Hospital talking about microchipping.